what are we going to do today?
Well, today we're going to take you on our Canopy tour. They call them zip lines. And so we have a tour that is basically 10 lines. We have a cliff jump, which is a vertical descent off a 45-foot rock cliff, and a 120-foot swinging bridge over this river that you hear behind us in the background, with a 35-foot cascade underneath it.
Now, to me, that sounds like a daredevil thing. Like, but the reality of it is, you have first-timers out here every day.
Absolutely. Probably the majority of the people that come out are first-timers.
Yeah. When somebody's out, maybe they're on a cruise, maybe they're down in the Caribbean, they see zip lining tours or other canopy tours. Can you help us out a little bit about what to look for? I would imagine safety is right off the top, right?
You know, look for a company that is certified by the ACCT, which is the Association of Challenge Course Technology.
Okay.
That's a national standard. Insurance, of course, and online reputation, I think, goes a long way.
Absolutely. And is ziplining sort of a relatively new thing, or no?
Probably the 70s, people started seeing different park services and different tourism destinations trying some things out, which has developed into this aerial adventures that you see a lot of places you go now.
And what do people say when they come down for the first time?
Wow, I want to do that again. I had one of my friends say that you call on the name of the Lord when you go across the valley. We get a lot of different reactions, you know, from people that are excited that they have overcome a fear to the adrenaline junkies that said that did it for me. You know, everybody gets something different out of it, which is something special to me.
But again, somebody watching this even right now going, oh my gosh, I'm terrified of heights. Is this something they should do, or are they're never going to make it off the launch pad?
I think it would be natural for everybody to be a little scared of heights.
Yeah.
This is for everybody, you know, and we give people the opportunity to test their fears in an environment where it's very well taken care of as far as your safety, your harnesses, and all the checklists that we go through.
Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate this.